Hey guys, we're back working on this 19 Forester. We did one on the 18 Forester, and a lot of people asked how to take off front bumpers, and so we got a lot of views on that. So we figured, it's a new car, might get a scrape in the bumper or dent or whatever, want to replace it. So we're going to show you how to take this rear bumper cover off the 2019 Forester, and after this video we're going to make one on how to remove the front bumper if you want to upgrade the grill on that thing or whatever. We're going to go show you guys how to do that. Have the thing up in the air. You don't have to have this thing up in the air. You can do it at home on the ground, but we got up in the air for the purpose of showing you guys where the clips are, so it's easier for you guys on the floor to do them, easier for us to videotape. But there's one right here. There's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-inch clips. Get a clip remover or a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and just, I mean, it's simple. These things come off really easy. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to take the bumper cover off this car. This one's here. Grab this one. There's one right here, and there's one at the edge over here. Once you get all those off, I'm gonna bring the car back down. I'll put these over here so I don't lose them. Bring the car back down and show you the hard part. This is where you're gonna need a screwdriver. I don't know why Subaru designed what they designed, but it's stupid. But this is the way they designed it. On the older models, this thing, you had a 10 right here, you'd pull it off and they would slide off. This one, you gotta remove this cover. There's this Phillips screwdriver. There's 2 screws. There's 1. There's 2. You gotta grab them from the other side as well. So let's switch spots. One there, and oh yeah, screw, all that clips, and then you push right here, grab your finger, pull these upwards like this. It's the same way you do taillights. If you haven't watched the videos, I had to pull the other side off too. Now, the reason why I'm taking this off, because it comes and covers right here, and this bumper right here, there's no way for it to come off, so you have to take these guys off. Then come around this way. There's a little push pin clip that sits in here. It goes right in here. I lost it. It's on the ground somewhere. So I've ordered some new ones from the dealer. But you gotta push those clips out. And then this thing just, if you pull, don't be afraid to break it, but if you pull, it'll snap. Same for the other side. All this right here. If you have mud flaps, which some of these models will, there'll be a mud flap that sits here. It's going to have 2 screws or clips that hold it here. Undo these 2 clips as well for your mud guard. This model doesn't have one. So I can't show you, but I'm sure yours might. You might have a touring package or something. So same for the other side. Once you got that off, come on the back. If you got 2 people, better, but if you hold the edge of this, come on this side, Corey. If you hold the edge of this and just pull back, the back end of this thing has a bunch of, it just slides in. I'll show you when you get it off, but it's literally just pull back like this. Here. So come here, Corey, let me show you. You guys at home, these guys right here, this thing slides into it and holds it. So if you pull there, it wants to come out. Same from this side. If I pull here, It is possible to do it with one person. And let's not scratch the bumper, but that's how the bumper comes off. If you got to replace one of these proximity sensors, it's just these are the radar sensors for lane departure. 3 number 10s. You can unplug this, remove this sensor. More than likely, if this is damaged, this bracket's gonna be damaged. And if this is not sitting exactly where it needs to sit, that thing's gonna yell at you every time. Right here is this little bracket. The bumper slides inside here. I'm gonna show you how to put the bumper back on. So let's say you pull this bumper off, you said it out, got a pain, and you brought it and you put it back on. So I'm gonna show you how to put this bumper back on the car. If you grab it, it's probably easier with 2 people, but I'm gonna show you how to do it with 1. You want to make sure that these things right here slide above those right there. So if you can come up kind of just like this, at the same time, okay, get over into the headlight, underneath the tail lights. You see it? It's these little brackets this one's to slide into. Same over here. And let me show you if you can see in here. Make sure that you get this bumper thing up above the clipping. If it goes in incorrectly, it's not going to want to go in. Don't force it. Pull it back out. Make sure you get it over that ledge so it snaps in. And it should be simple as that. And then up here, as long as you get this pushed over, it should all just clip in. And you can make sure that these guys to get pushed on the inside, and this thing will it will snap all by itself. It's not, don't be beating on it, but you can just give it like, I'll call it a love tap. We're missing this molding because some genius decided to key the car and scratch that up. So that's it. I lost. Oh, see, we didn't put this in, so you're gonna have to just pull in the bottom and make sure that all this goes behind it. So there's little clips to go in here. I lost them, so I ordered some new ones. But make sure you put these clips back in. So come back over here. Your bumper clips into these guys right here and here. Make sure that it's snugged in all the way. Go ahead and put these back. Don't try to go from the top like this. It will work. You can do it however you want. Put these screws back in. Well, they're not screws, these are clips. You can just push them in all the way by hand. That and this. Go to the other side. Same, oh yeah. Be a genius. Well, however you get it to work. And then push that in, push that in. So we're done with the top. Let's raise this thing back up and get a bunch of clips to put on the bottom of this thing. So we got the top all wrapped up. We got a bunch of these big clips. So we're gonna count how many we put in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I missed that one. 6 and 7. that is it for the rear bumper. Now we're going to look at the front bumper.